Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a Stars opening. Now, what you want to do right now is, you want to click this. Have to get this title here. Now, just type in anything else. Now for quick opening, suggest to do this quicker. You can so go to Star Wars Phantom, source Wikipedia, and you can get an opening call. Yeah. Now you can use this one. This armor with intro text, and you can use spaces if you don't want to see text. Now, if you try to see another frame when you edit it, it shall show how you edit it. So now you can now if you don't have any text, it's just special. If you don't do spaces, it's just gonna show the text that's put. But if you put spaces, you will see the text put. Now, I'm going to copy from the Stars Intro Creator, because if you don't, it won't look like that. So, paste it, and now here I'm gonna type in. I'm not gonna type. I'm going to copy this. Good. Copy. The logo. The real one. So it's gonna look like, so it's gonna look like that. So now we click this, and now I'm gonna come back when it's done. That's what I meant, what the logo would look like when you copied it from the website. Now this is what your cross will look like when it's rendering. It's gonna be going down to down. You see like the original core, but there's a little bit of like some like a little bit of arrows in there. But still though, it says the awesome Galactic Empire. It means the evil Galactic Empire. Because it's really a threat. And it says striking from a fortress hidden among the billion stars of the galaxy. What does that even mean? And also it says rebel spaceships have won their first victory in a battle with the powerful Impulse Starfleet. What does that mean too? And the rebel spaceships have won their first victory. That's what A New Hope called. You wanna see what I mean? Wait. like so. Oh, wait a minute. He did do from a hidden space, just half one. Anyways, it also says an emperor control over the galaxy would be lost forever. What does that mean? Like, literally, what does that mean? This is weird. Like, what is this? And also there's a phrase, you know, you can see all the text out. Just so you know, it does say powerful enough to destroy an entire planet. Its completion spells certain doom for the champions of freedom. That's gonna be like the words you will see up here till the end. Like like I was talking about the ones that you're looking at up here. Like that's and these frames. There's 2,242. I can't say 3 and 0 over go, so that's why you heard the 40. Like, you might not know how I say 3-0, but it just sounds like 4-0, because it's a 40. It would be 40. Okay, I think I say it correctly, but I have to say it. A little different than how you say 3-0, but a little bit just off, but I just got a space in the Vadel. But that's the last of what I've seen from everything. I don't know what just happened, but we're just not gonna worry about it. My headphones. Gosh, wait. It's done. Okay, now over here, and you will see this. You know what this is? This is your finished wall. Now, you want to export it, but I want to show you how it will look like. This is how mine looks like. It's gonna be right here at the one that says video preview. I'm gonna make a big place into it. I was gonna skip. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. Now, next, you're gonna want to export it. The export button is this red button. Now, if you have a folder that looks like this and it's called DVD, put it in there. But if you don't, just put it on the original folder. Then call it SW were made by your name. I'm gonna type in Wiley. Export. Now this right here, it's a problem. Now I'm gonna be back when it's done. Now the finishing, well, it takes quick. Now click done. Now if you go into the folder you put it in, you will see it here. Now, not gonna fast forward, but I'm not gonna fast forward, but I'm just gonna skip some. That's what it's gonna look like. See ya. Bye.